boy K1K. You already know we back in this thing for another episode. So what we got going on today is we're gonna meet up with a couple local guys from my area over here at Circuit of the Americas. I'm assuming we're probably gonna watch the qualifiers for a little bit, hang out there and stuff before we get out on the road and see what we can get into. So we're gonna do that, and then hopefully gonna end up meeting up with maybe FastLaneD and COTA and some of the other guys that's here. So we'll see what's up. We made it to COTA. Just gonna try to see if we can meet up with Mobzilla, some of the other guys, and see what's up here. So we'll see what's up. I don't know where these dudes parked. It's been a long time since I've been to COTA, so I can't even remember how everything is like laid out necessarily. So you can see there's a crap load of bikes out here, like a crap load, to the point where I'm scared to leave mine out here. I'm scared, man. So we will see. I don't know where to go, man. Just gonna park and try to hit them up and see what is up. All the bikes out here. It's like a sea of a whole bunch of them. It's hard to guess how many, but several hundred easily. All down here. Other lots I don't think have bikes, but these, tons of them here. And you can already see Arya out here looking so scrum-diddly-umptious. But boy, she sits nice. Look at that, boys. Look at that. Alright, waiting on some guys to come in so we can go ahead and do some riding in a little bit, but about to head into COTA now and see if I can watch what's going on, watch a couple of events or something before some of the others get here. So stay tuned. That quick shit just sound like it's butter though. Caught up to FastLaneD, Jac BeQuic, man. Gonna see what we can get into today. Got some nice bikes out here. Alright. Yes, sir. Just gonna chill in the back, see how everything plays out. I don't know if we're doing any smackdowns or anything like that. Hopefully so. I want to see what Arya's got. A little more action, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I don't got the scraps on, but we'll see. Yes, sir. This is fast lane. Good run, that triple I ain't no joke. Ooh. found him. Ooh, it's close, it's close. I think Jack might have got him, guys. I think Jack might have got him. First, maybe. Good running. Good run, good run. I don't got my shit strapped, man, so I don't know if I can get him at first. Have to do a test hit. I was in second. I was in second. I should have started in first. Now that I know that it's manageable at first, I think I could have got the Gixxer, but my first time riding non-strapped. I don't even need the strap, to be honest, really. Ooh, that A2 ain't no joke, boy. Did you get him on top? It looked like you got him on top. Ready. First gear is ready. First gear is ready. All right. I need to try to get Bound Momzilla again. Unexpected, I ain't gonna lie. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Bro, that HP4 ain't no joke, guys. Yeah, I stayed in that too. I don't even know how fast I got. That HP4 is quick, bro. It is quick. I can't wait to see what my shit's gonna do once it's set up better, bro. Because that thing is ready. Jack look like he got him on top again, man. Damn it, bro. Oh my god, I wanted to race the freaking K67, man. Oh, that sucks. Overall, good runs, good test of what Arya's strengths are and where I may need to improve. But first gear, John got this thing tuned perfect, man. It wheelies a little at first, but I can ride through the whole thing. Second gear, no problems, man. I didn't even need to strap this thing, bro. With MR12, I definitely would have needed the strap because it wheelies in second still a little bit. So, but I didn't get a chance to race everybody I wanted to because we kind of have some time constraints with things going on with COTA. But I did get a chance to run. Obviously, you got to see Valzilla's bike. His bike's just fast, bro. I ain't got nothing for him right now. You know, it gets out in the beginning and I just can't catch him, man. I think if I had a 41-2, it'd be a little more interesting. But yeah, man, he gets out in front of me and goes, bro. Once I get a chance to lighten the bike up a little bit, I think it'll be a good difference. So we'll see. Had a good time with this little bit of quickness that we had for today. Maybe we'll get into some more stuff later tonight, and then obviously I'm gonna head home and go from there. So more to follow, guys. We'll see what's up.